Subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get latest courses and career opportunities.
You have been there, right? You want to apply for a new job, you want to get yourself into the best company, best firm you want to get in, such as Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Quora, millions of companies, right? And the first thing which we start by writing is our resume. What we write, the cover letter, what we write, how we present ourselves, because it is the first thing that comes to any HR or the interviewer who is going to see about what we are. Okay, so if you want to put yourself out into someone's eyes, the first thing when you're seeking a job is that you want to put yourself on a resume and you want to have your tight, intact resume, right? You want to have multiple skills, you want to put yourself in one line, you have multiple quotes for yourself, you believe you put on some of the most interactive things, such as if you are from a creative job, you are a designer, if you are a logo designer, you are a video creator, okay, if you are a video creator as well. So that are multiple things. If you are a coder, you are from, say suppose you are from data science, or if you are from corporate finance institutes, okay, everything has to do one thing or other. You have your skills, you have multiple talents as well. So what we are going to do today is not going into a course or particular niche or very particular career kind of a thing. Instead, we are going to focus on one major thing, that is resume writing, because you should have a tight, intact resume before getting to company, job, or anything where you have to put yourself first, and your resume is the first thing that they see. So today we are going to review a course from Sailor.org Academy, and this academy provides you with multiple courses, and resume writing is one of them. So let's just look at the content. The time is for 5 hours. Okay, you can just use this course as the basic things which you should be doing for resume. Okay, there are 5 modules. There are 3 modules, and there is small, and you have 5 hours as well. So I guess they are covering more and more into depth of it, and they have given the approximate time which you are going to take: 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 hours. Okay, and they have given cover letter, introduction to resume. Good thing. Let's just look into the content of these things. So what is the purpose of this resume, different types of resume, goals of resume. Okay, let's just go into the types of resume: chronological resume, functional resume. Okay, well, you know what chronological resume are, right? The timeline of the resume, from, say suppose you have the time of birth, the time of you got into education. There are multiple things. And what is a CV? This does not count into it. Okay, great. So resume form and function. Let's just go into the first thing: types of resume. What is a conventional resume? Heading, objectives. Okay, as you might be seeing this course, you might be thinking, well, Sundaraman, where is the video? We want to see video. Well, this is the thing, guys. Sailor.org provides you the content in a reading format, the things which you have to read. You don't get a video out for it. There is no video output. There is no one teaching you these things. You have to go through it by yourself. That is why they say you will take 5 hours. But if you are going to do it on a video course, it might be taking just 1.5 hours, 2 hours at tops. But if you're doing it on a self-paced course, I believe that you will be going into the niche. And if you're trying to learn resume writing, first of all, you are very much into getting a job or anything where you want to present yourself, right? So that is the most important thing. You have to do a self-research, self-analyzation should be there, and Sailor has given you enough time, 5 hours, that you can take this into the much depth and understand it. Okay, so experience, work, employment, computer skills, activities, you can go through this stuff, and every page has multiple links to it. Okay, you can just see there are more and more things which you can just go on doing. I personally found this course very amazing, because first of all I didn't know what resume writing was. I just made it out of an online site, and I just made it out. So this is the thing which I learned it. I have to learn it still, but I can understand what are the things they are trying to teach me over here. And the thing which I am talking about, the cover letters. The cover letters which you can see over here are also in a reading format, right? You can see the cover letter. These are the parts of puzzle which come to you. If you are trying to if you're trying to get yourself into someone's space, the first thing they are going to see is resume, and apart from that, they are going to see your cover letter, right? So, what is the cover letter? You have to put your top strengths, 10 strengths, time most preferred. You just have to go through it, guys. You have to go through it. There are multiple things. You have to go through it. You have to understand it. And they have given you a tabular format of what you have to do. Okay, you have to do such as strengths and weaknesses. You have to put it out, and you have to define your duties. What if you have a work experience? You have to define what you did. It is a pretty in-depth course, and 5 hours is enough. You can just knock it down in 3 to 4 days, I believe, 3 to 4 days, and that is what I would do. It is up to everyone what they can do. Okay. They have also given a video job description sample as well. So there are top 3 strengths. Highlight your cover, introduction paragraph, the last paragraph where it reiterates your interest in why you're taking this job. What are your company? Why do you interest in this company? Why are you looking for this particular job? If there is a change of job, change of career, why are you into the new career, and what is that you have learned in the past career? You can put that thing in here and there. Okay, and they are given a sample cover letter as well. Oh, there are two cover letters, and they also give you multiple things, key takeaways as well. So you can definitely do this course. Okay, I would personally do this course if I'm applying for a job. And you can polish your resume presentation as well. There are three modules, and each module has inbuilt courses into it, inbuilt modules into it, or inbuilt content into it, which you can say. And each page leads into a different page, like I said before. Okay, you can just go into this and see your online profile. If say suppose you're connecting your profile on LinkedIn, your LinkedIn followers should be there. Why should you have your profile on LinkedIn? They have given you everything over here. Okay, yeah, they have given you everything over here. You can personally connect with All-in-One Hub. There's an interesting challenge. Stay with us till the end. You can know what the challenge is. Okay, just type in All-in-One Hub LinkedIn, and you will find us there. So certification exam. Let's just go into it. Okay, so this is going to take you 70% to clear your final exam, and your grade would be as soon as you complete. If you didn't get 70%, you have to wait till 7 days. That's a good thing. You have to learn, you have to analyze where did you go wrong. That's a good thing. And then you have to come back and you do it with 70% again. There are no limits to taking how many types of attempts you can take, but you can take as many attempts as you want. Okay, and after completing this course, you will be getting a certificate like this over here, which you can see on the right side. This is a certificate you should be getting, and with your name on it. Okay, and the time, date, and the certificate ID here, and you can show it on your LinkedIn profile, anywhere you want to show that you have the resume writing skills. If you are applying for a HR job, so suppose you are applying for a HR job and you want to learn and understand what your candidates are writing in their resume. Okay, so you can take this course not just if you are applying for a job. If you are a HR and if you want to scrutinize, if you want to analyze how should you be recruiting people, right? How should be recruiting new guys off their resume, and as saving your time as well. Then you can definitely do this course, as it is a 5-hour course. You can just knock it down in 3 to 4 days. Okay, take a Friday, Saturday, or Thursday to Sunday. That would be good for this course, and then you will be good. And if you're a HR, if you're applying for a job, if you're eagerly searching for a job, then this is the course which you have to do for your resume writing. Personally, I would do this if I was a HR. I would understand what sort of things which I should mark under when I want to see a candidate particularly mentioned in their resume. So that is a course which I would do if I was a HR. Just a side note, okay. So this is our YouTube channel All-in-One Hub, and here we are providing many multiple course reviews, and here the course reviews are completely free. There is no course review courses which are paid ones. They are completely free, and they are from IBM, as you can see, IBM, Google, Microsoft, AWS, many more. And we also give platform reviews as well. So Duolingo, one place to learn every language for free. Spotify, Google Podcast, anything you wanted, we have it. And there is a 101 day career challenge as well. These are just under half a minute videos, and these are the things which you can learn in one sentence. Say suppose, what is data science, what is internet, what is internet in one sentence. What is internet in one sentence? You just have to do it in these 21 seconds, not going to take much of your time. So that's it. And if you want to learn more about technical skills, or if you want to learn more about free courses, you can definitely join our Telegram channel. Okay, there are more and more people are joining every day. And here, as you can see, computer and technological people have half the criteria over here. Okay, the 36 people are almost from computer background, and the other people are here as well who are from commerce. So definitely check it out for courses and certification, blogs, interviews, practice tests, platform reviews. Anything that you want for free is completely available at our Telegram channel. The link is in first link below the like button. So do check it out. And what is our 101 day career challenge? So everyone has been there, right? When we start a course, we do one new thing, we start a new thing, we are excited about it, we're completely curious. And after a week or so, what happens is we get to slack off. We take a day off. We tell ourselves, "Yeah, take it. Let's put it on another day, and let's do it on one other day." And then it becomes habit. We don't complete the course, and it just goes off, right? So what we came up with at All-in-One Hub is we need to account yourself for it. So we just gave one day a single small challenge for you. Okay, what these challenges are? These are challenges which you have to do in, say, suppose small challenges like reading a blog or watching a video, taking an assessment, and these are not going to take up an entire day. Okay, they are just going to take up maximum of 10 minutes. And what after that, what you have to do is take a screenshot of it. Okay, so suppose you're doing this Skill India review, or if you're doing this Microsoft Excel review. Okay, anything that you're doing, just take a screenshot of it. Okay, post it on your LinkedIn, tag yourself as well as All-in-One Hub, and you will get a chance to put your name on All-in-One Hall of Fame. So what is All-in-One Hall of Fame? It is a page where you can showcase your career, what you have done in 101 days of your life, right? What you have done for this challenge, what you have done for your career, what actually you have done in this challenge as well, and you have taken a screenshot and you have posted it. We can just show it on your link and on our site, as well as you can put it on the LinkedIn, so you can be on our daily achiever list as well. So that's it, folks. This is All-in-One Hub. I am Sundaramana here. See you around.